Getting accepted into an MBA program is not only about having good grades or work experience. Many applicants already have strong resumes and professional backgrounds. What often makes the difference is the statement of purpose. This is the part of the application where the admissions committee decides whether your goals are clear, your motivation is genuine, and your experiences truly connect to your future plans. A weak or generic SOP can hurt even a strong application, while a well-written one can immediately make you stand out. A statement of purpose, or SOP, is a formal essay submitted as part of a university application. For MBA programs, it explains your academic background, work experience, career goals, and reasons for pursuing the degree. Today, we're going to break down a winning MBA statement of purpose step by step so you understand exactly how to write one in a professional and convincing way. Sender information and date. At the top of the document, we have the applicant's full name, address, email address, phone number, and the date. This section may look simple, but it still matters. It keeps the document professional and organized, and it provides the university with the applicant's contact information. Always make sure your information is accurate and updated. Recipient information and salutation. Next, the letter is addressed to the admissions committee of the MBA program. This is a professional and respectful way to address the university when you do not know the name of the specific person reviewing your application. Then we have the salutation. Dear members of the admissions committee. This greeting is formal, polite, and appropriate for academic applications. Never skip the salutation in a statement of purpose because it helps establish a professional tone right from the beginning. Introduction and purpose of applying. Now let's move into the first body paragraph. This paragraph introduces the applicant's purpose for writing and immediately explains their interest in the MBA program. This is important because the admissions committee wants to quickly understand why you are applying and what motivates you. The paragraph also briefly mentions the applicant's professional background and future goals. This creates a strong opening because it already gives direction to the rest of the essay. The paragraph says, I am writing to express my strong interest in pursuing a Master of Business Administration program at your respected institution. With a background in business operations and several years of professional experience, I am eager to expand my leadership abilities, strengthen my strategic thinking skills, and prepare myself for greater responsibilities in the business world. This is a strong opening because it sounds confident, focused, and professional without sounding overly dramatic. Academic background. Now let's look at the next paragraph, which focuses on academic experience. In this section, the applicant explains their educational background and highlights subjects or interests that influence their decision to pursue an MBA. This helps show that the applicant already has a foundation in business-related knowledge. The paragraph also explains how the applicant became interested in business growth, market adaptation, and long-term organizational success. This is important because MBA programs want students who are genuinely interested in business leadership and strategy. The paragraph reads, I completed my Bachelor of Business Administration degree at the University of North Carolina, where I developed a solid understanding of finance, marketing, management, and organizational behavior. During my undergraduate studies, I became particularly interested in how businesses grow, adapt to changing markets, and create long-term value for both customers and stakeholders. This interest motivated me to pursue opportunities that allowed me to gain practical business experience. When writing this section, try to connect your education to your long-term interests and goals instead of simply listing subjects you studied. Professional experience. Next comes one of the most important parts of an MBA statement of purpose, which is professional experience. MBA programs highly value applicants with real-world work experience because these programs are designed to develop future business leaders. This paragraph explains the applicant's current role, responsibilities, achievements, and lessons learned. In this example, the applicant explains working as an operations coordinator and mentions improving workflow systems and operational efficiency. These details make the experience sound practical and meaningful. The paragraph says, "For the past 4 years, I have worked as an operations coordinator at a retail distribution company in Charlotte. In this role, I have managed team schedules, improved workflow systems, and assisted in implementing new operational strategies that increased efficiency within the organization. Working in a fast-paced environment has taught me the importance of leadership, communication, adaptability, and effective decision-making. While these experiences have strengthened my professional skills, they have also shown me the importance of advanced business education in achieving long-term career growth." This paragraph works well because it doesn't just describe the job, it explains what the applicant learned and why an MBA is the next logical step. Career goals and why MBA. Now let's move into the career goals paragraph. This section is extremely important because universities want applicants who have clear direction and purpose. You should explain your future goals and how the MBA program will help you achieve them. In this sample, the applicant wants to become a business manager capable of leading large teams and contributing strategically to organizations. The paragraph also mentions specific areas of interest, including strategic management, business analytics, entrepreneurship, and international business. The paragraph reads, "My goal is to become a business manager capable of leading large teams and contributing to organizational development on a strategic level. I believe that an MBA program will provide me with the advanced knowledge, global perspective, and leadership training necessary to achieve this goal. I am especially interested in learning more about strategic management, business analytics, entrepreneurship, and international business practices." This section is strong because the goals sound realistic, focused, and connected to the MBA program itself, collaboration, and personal growth. Next, the applicant talks about learning from others and growing personally. MBA programs often focus heavily on teamwork, collaboration, networking, and leadership development. This paragraph shows that the applicant values learning from diverse perspectives and working with people from different backgrounds. The paragraph says, "In addition to academic and professional growth, I look forward to collaborating with students and faculty members from diverse backgrounds. I believe that sharing experiences and ideas with others will broaden my perspective and help me become a more effective and responsible leader. I am confident that your MBA program will challenge me intellectually while also helping me grow personally and professionally." This part is important because it shows maturity, openness, and willingness to learn. Final motivation paragraph. Now we move into the final main paragraph before the conclusion. This section reinforces the applicant's motivation, work ethic, and readiness for the MBA program. It leaves the admissions committee with a strong final impression before the closing. The paragraph reads, "I am highly motivated, hardworking, and committed to continuous learning. I am prepared to contribute positively to your academic community and take full advantage of the opportunities your program offers. Pursuing an MBA is an important step toward achieving my long-term career aspirations, and I am excited about the possibility of joining your institution." This paragraph works well because it sounds positive, sincere, and forward-looking. Closing paragraph. Finally, we have the closing paragraph. This section thanks the admissions committee for reviewing the application and expresses appreciation for their time and consideration. The paragraph says, "Thank you for considering my application. I appreciate your time and consideration, and I look forward to the opportunity to contribute to and learn from your MBA program." Then the letter ends professionally with, "Sincerely, Sophia Turner." Before we finish, here are a few important reminders. Avoid making your statement of purpose sound generic or copied. Admissions committees read many applications, so they can quickly recognize vague or repetitive writing. Be specific about your experiences, goals, and motivation. Connect your past experiences to your future plans. Show growth, direction, and professionalism. Also, avoid exaggerating achievements or using overly emotional language. A winning MBA Statement of Purpose sounds confident, realistic, focused, and well-structured. And that's how you write a strong and professional statement of purpose for an MBA program step by step. If this video helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe to Writing Tutorials for more practical writing guides and sample documents. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.